40,000. So these are capital balances of partners which are recorded on liability side. Then outer column total is 1,80,000. Outer column total of partners capital 1,80,000. Next item, current accounts balances are given. So only Sujata and Sarita's balance is given. So write on credit side of partners capital account, current account, partners current account. By balance brought down, Sujata's column 16,000 and Sarita's column 9,000. And Suman column dash, because Suman's current account balance is, we have recorded to debit side, to balance brought down. So credit side Suman dash, credit side Suman dash. The next item of trial balance given, sales, trading account credit side, trading account credit side. By sales, direct outer column 6,72,000. 6,72,000. Next item, creditors. Balance sheet liability side, but before that keep 4 lines blank after partners capital account. Where we are recorded the partners capital account, after that keep 4 lines blank and then write sundry creditors. Amount is 48,000. Direct outer column 48,000, direct outer column. Next, provision for doubtful debts given 3,000. Provision for doubtful debts given 3,000. Now this is to be recorded to profit and loss account debit side, but first record there profit and loss account debit side to RDD into bracket new, to RDD into bracket new. अमाऊंट आताच लिहायची नाही, इनर कॉलमला त्याचे अमाऊंट घ्यायचे, परंतु आपण ॲडजस्टमेंटच्या वेळेला ती विचारात घेणार आहोत. फक्त लिहून ठेवा टू RDD इंटू ब्रॅकेट न्यू, त्याच्यातून लेस ओल्ड प्रोव्हिजन, लेस ओल्ड प्रोव्हिजन. Now these 3,000 given are old provision for doubtful debts. Inner column 3,000. Inner column 3,000. Next item of trial balance. Next item of trial balance. So wait for next commission. Now commission is given credit balance. So profit and loss account credit side, keep one line blank for record the gross profit brought down, and then record there by commission amount is given and adjustment is also given. So write it to inner column 4,000 and keep one line blank there, less received in advance, adjustment we consider afterwards, and then discount is also given, credit balance, it is also received. So P&L credit balance after commission by discount received, direct outer column 6,400, direct outer column 6,400. So all the items of trial balance we are considered. Then come to the additional information adjustment. Next part of the problem, additional information. Adjustment number 1, closing stock rupees 70,000. So every adjustment has twofold effect. Accordingly, we are making first effect trading account credit side, right on credit side of the trading account. Keep 2-3 lines blank after sales. And then record by closing stock. Amount is 70,000. By closing stock, amount is 70,000. Then amount is 1,000. Another effect on balance sheet asset side. Stock 70,000 direct outer column. 70,000 direct outer column. So first adjustment, we are making two effects. One is on credit side of trading account and another is balance sheet asset side. So next adjustment, Sujata has taken goods worth rupees 3,000 from stock for which no entry is made in the books. So partners current account. Come to the partners current account. Now goods worth rupees 3,000 was withdrawn by Sujata or taken by Sujata. So partners current account debit side, to goods taken or withdrawn, into bracket Sujata, So Sujata's column 3,000 and others column dash dash. Sarita and Suman dash dash. Now goods taken for personal use. Second effect, trading account credit side. Trading account credit side after sales. By goods withdrawn. By goods withdrawn. Into bracket Sujata. Into bracket Sujata. Bracket complete. Amount column 3000. Amount column 3000. So every adjustment has twofold effects. Keep in mind. Third adjustment, Sarita is to be paid rupees 24,000 for traveling expenses for business trips. A business trips is arranged and Sarita has paid rupees 24,000 for traveling expenses. So first effect, profit and loss account debit side. Profit and loss account debit side. To traveling expenses. To traveling expenses. Into bracket paid by Sarita. Paid by Sarita. Bracket complete an amount 24,000. Amount 24,000. Next effect, partners current accounts. Come to the partners current account. Credit side. By traveling, only Sarita's column. So first column dash, Sarita 24,000 and Suman dash. So only middle column Sarita 24,000, other two columns dash dash. First column and last column dash. Then fourth adjustment, wages outstanding are rupees 5,000. So we are recorded the wages on trading account debit side to wages, and we are recorded add outstanding. Only write the amount after 65,000 which are taken on inner column. Add outstanding 5,000 and outer column total 65 plus 5,000, 70,000. Outer column total 70,000. Now next effect of this adjustment, balance sheet liability side. Balance sheet liability side. Outstanding wages. Outstanding wages 5,000. Balance sheet liability side, outstanding wages 5,000. Then fourth adjustment, another part, and commission received in advance rupees 1,000. Commission we are recorded on the P&L account credit side, inner column 4,000, and also written less received in advance. Now amount record there 1,000. 4,000 minus less received in advance 1,000. So outer column total 3,000. Outer column total 3,000. Another effect, balance sheet liability side. बॅलन्स शीट लायबिलिटी साइड आउटस्टँडिंग वेजेसच्या नंतर कमिशन इन ॲडव्हान्स amount 1000 So fourth adjustment is completed. Now fifth adjustment, depreciation on machinery and building is to be provided 10%. So balance sheet asset side where we are recorded building less depreciation into bracket 10%, right there into bracket 10%. So building is recorded 64,000 inner column. So on 64,000, 10% is 6,400. So less 6,400. And then outer column total 57,600. 57,600. Next asset is machinery. Machinery is recorded on asset side inner column 50,000 less depreciation into bracket 10%, 5,000. So from the 50,000 depreciation minus 5,000, outer column 45,000. Outer column 45,000. On the vehicles, vehicle is recorded asset side inner column 20,000 less depreciation we are already recorded only into bracket 15%. 15%. So on 20,000, 10% is 2,000 and another 5% is 100. So total, 1,000. So total depreciation is 3,000. Deducted from 20,000, 3,000. So outer column total 17,000. 17,000. So this is the
Sir, commission just honorable.
कमिशनचं क्रेडिटला घेतलंय त्याच्यामध्ये आता इतक्या वेळ झालं तुला आता कमिशन आठवलं काय? क्रेडिट
नाही सर, नेटवर्क गेलता म्हणून.
हा, कमिशन क्रेडिटला 4,000 घेतलेला आहे लेस रिसिव्ड इन